Hey guys, it's Ben All, Keller Williams Realty, Bellomax Realty Group. And man, today we have got a great property for you guys to take a look at. We are in the Creekwood subdivision in Fort Worth, and this is just an area that's just amazing. Behind this house is a brand new community park that's getting built, and the neighborhood is full of walking trails, a pond. We've got just a great little community center with a pool. So it's just a fabulous little family neighborhood. And this house, we're at 125 Mossy Oak Trail. We're about 2,150 square feet, built in 2018, but I'll tell you, it is better than brand new. The folks have they've done meticulous updates to the house. They've added a lot of things that just make it an outstanding property. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this house. And when you get to the backyard, I know you're gonna see the photos and the aerial shots. This property does back to what will be a future community park, and it's going to be fantastic. So come on in, take a look. This is a great property. Love to see you guys make it your own. So as you come in, you can see just open, expansive, modern colors. We've got wood look tile floors throughout all of the common areas. Just an amazing, great feel to this house. At the front of the property, you've got a split bedroom arrangement. So you've got 2 bedrooms, very generous, nice sized closets, and their own bath. Super open and bright. It's very airy in this house and just feels very comfortable. As you make your way down the hallway, you're gonna come into what is the great room, the kitchen, the dining area. Just take a look at how huge this space is and how comfortable living here is. And then look at the views out of the back. You've got the park behind you. It's very private. You've got the wrought iron fence, so you see all of the wildlife and nature that's back there. What a great setting this is. This house has got an amazing floor plan as well, because not only do you have the 2 bedrooms up front, the master at the back of the house that you'll see here in a minute, and then off to the side here, you have got what could be the 4th bedroom, or this house was really well thought out because this is a floor plan that works for today in terms of how people live. You'll see they use it as an office. It's off by itself. There's a half bath right next to it. So it's just a great functional floor plan. So whether you need it as that 4th bedroom or as a home office, you've got that opportunity. The other thing these folks did was they added to the garage. So it's an oversized extended garage. So for you guys that have got those monster trucks, no problem fitting it in. And then I want you guys just to take a look at the master bathroom. Great space, got a bay window in the master, and it is just so open, so bright, looks out on the back park area. So just a super comfortable home. And when you are in the backyard, we've got a great covered patio across the back. It is stubbed for natural gas for your barbecue grill. Super great setting. So remember, this is 125 Mossy Oak Trail. We are in Fort Worth in the Creekwood subdivision. Great house. Love to see you guys make it your own. If you have questions, give me a call. Ben All, 817-992-1886.